All right, so the last stretch that we're going to do is for the right trapezius. So right now everything's really tight and it's elevated. What you're going to do is get a bar. You're going to climb directly underneath it so that it's sitting right on your trapezius. Rest your hands on the bar. Keep your neck neutral like you have it in a neck brace. And from here, just slowly push your hips back and then rock the hips forward. And what you're going to find is that as you push the hips back, it starts putting the pressure directly on the trapezius, and that's going to help relax those muscles so that they fall down. All right, so from right here, your arms are just hanging neutral. Raise the hips. You're going to feel that pressure go directly down the traps. Rock yourself forward. Find wherever the most pressure is. Just hold it right there. After about 15 to 20 seconds, all you're going to do is you're going to rock back and forth 2 or 3 times. And slowly try to pull your head away from your shoulder. And then relax, and you are all done with the foam rolling stretches.